municipality has 34 barangays. So, we have 148 cluster precincts. Ang total registered nurse natin dito sa Datuudin is 45,771. So, as of this time, considering na last day na ngayon ng filing of COC, as of this time, there were 33 barangay captains who filed their certificates of candidacy and 236 barangay kagawad who filed their certificates of candidacy. So far, all of the barangays na nag-file dito yesterday at saka yung last previous days is 19 out. 19 out lang po yung mga bawat barangay. So for info, since na newly assigned election officer ako dito, per info, since 2004 elections, parang unopposed na itong munisipyo.
Yung mayor kasi namin, Honorable Dato Umbra, when he was elected as mayor last 1998 po. So naging programa na yung kalirintan. Ibig sabihin, in terms of peace and order, including the relationship ng mga barangay officials. Mayroon kaming monthly barangay meetings, in other words, consultation, and including yung mga religious leaders natin po. So yun ang ginagawa ni Dato Umbra, that was 1998 po yun. Pumalit yung anak niya, 2004, Honorable Dato Lester Singswat, na naging mayor po namin. So yun din ang sinundan ni Dato Lester to maintain the peace and order, including itong papaano hindi mag-aawa-awa yung mga tao from grassroots barangay to municipal level po. So in terms naman sa mga election matters, hindi lang po sa barangay officials na walang karapan, pati yung municipal level namin, mayor to municipal councilor. So dahil sa programa na yon, nakaya ni Dato Lester or from Dato Umbra rin, tatay niya, na hindi na magkakalaban yung mga pamilya. Kasi kung mapapansin mo, yung representation ng mga municipal kagawad namin, by family yun, yung mga malaking pamilya po sa Datuudin Singswat. So with that, hindi na mag-angel yung mga ibang pamilya kasi mayroon na silang representation sa municipal. Ang importante, kahit na hindi kayo kasali sa barangay, paano tayo makatulong sa ating bayan.